Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to check how many RAM slots your laptop has. To do this, right-click the taskbar, tap on the Task Manager, then select the Performance section, and in the Performance section, select Memory tab. And in the Memory tab, you'll see information like the form factor of your RAM memory and slots used. The SODIMM form factor means that your laptop uses RAM sticks and not integrated RAM memory, and the slots used is basically the number of slots that are being occupied at the moment. And for me, at the moment, one of the two slots are being occupied by 8 GB RAM stick, so there is one more for me to upgrade memory. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.